Oh guys, so for today's video kasama natin si Sir Ricky. Of course, tatanungin lang natin kung anong ma-advise niya sa mga contenders na sumali dito sa Battle of the Boys Season 6.
Thanks so much, June. This is Ricky Chuilian, the Vice President for Socio-Economic Affairs and of course the Chairman for this year's Battle of the Boys Season 6. Well, ang masasabi ko lang ay we have a lot of talented singers this year and I have seen them grow all throughout these months of our preparation for this big day. So masasabi ko lang, I hope that they enjoy every single journey, every single moment of this experience because some of them, they are just here to express themselves on stage for the love of singing and for some of them just for the experience. So I hope that they will make it all through the finals and congratulations in advance to all of the participants.
Amazing words. Thank you, Mr. Ricky, for inviting us. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye. Sama pa rin natin ang mga members dito, especially sa Battle of the Boys. So guys, anong masasabi nyo at ma-advise sa mga contenders para hindi sila kabahan?
Enjoy lang po nila yung yung ating show para po hindi sila kabahan at maging po sila masaya lang po para po hindi po maging po sila makabahan. Yun lang po.
Ikaw be?
For me, just be yourself and be confident and always own the stage. At least kung na-enjoy mo kasi yung performance mo, mawawala yung kaba mo. So ang masasabi ko lang sa lahat ng mga contestants, good luck and congratulations in advance.
Masasabi ko sa mga contestant, good luck and enjoy nyo yung perform kasi doon kayo hugutin nyo yung perform nyo ngayong araw. Bigay todo. And good luck sa lahat ng mga mananalo. You deserve all.
That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for having me here. Bye-bye. I'm with Mr. Andy, the Master Hostman here sa Battle of the Boys Season 6. Andy, what can you advise sa mga Battle of the Boys contenders para hindi sila kabahan para sa event na to?
Yes, actually this is our season 6 and ang ma-advise ko lang kasi with our experiences, i-enjoy mo lang yung show. So i-enjoy mo lang yung performance mo. And of course, depende rin kasi sa piyesa yan. So dapat yung piyesa mo ay you are just telling a story. So dapat maramdaman ng audience natin yon, yung story or yung kanta or yung mensahe ng kanta mo para mahuli mo kaagad at ma-capture mo yung puso ng audience.
Hello guys, I'm here with Mary today and then I just want to ask only, this is the champion before for the Batch 5, Battle of the Boys Batch 5. So, Mary, what can you advise to the people na talagang sa contenders na maging hindi sila kabahan sa competition na ito?
Bilang isang kontesera po, ang ma-advise ko po sa mga sumali po ngayon sa Battle of the Boys Season 6, pray po before and after you sing and also give your best. Yun lang po. Thank you.
That's all, Mary. See you from the next vlog. Bye-bye. I'm here with Mr. Sally, of course, the manager also for sa Skyland Cargo Global. Actually, sir, what can you advise to the contenders para hindi sila kabahan sa competition na ito?
Unang-una, salamat sa pagkakataong ito. Ang maibabahagi ko lang at para ma-encourage naman yung ating mga contenders ngayong araw na to, The Boys Season 6. Actually, we were here last year. Sinuportahan din natin ang OFW Congress. This time, ang maipapayo ko, huwag kabahan. This is a good opportunity, a learning experience sa lahat ng mga contestants na lumahok. Yung makarating kayo dito sa stage, mag-perform kayo, I considered winner na kayo ngayong araw na to. So, ini-encourage ko na magpatuloy ang matalo't manalo. This is a good opportunity for you na butihin pa ang inyong mga performances. Thank you.
And of course, Skyland Cargo is the one of the sponsor also. Skyland Cargo, can you promote Sir Skyland Cargo kasi talagang the best talaga ang Skyland Cargo, I think.
We have been partner ng Filipino organizations sa buong Saudi Arabia. Isa rin ako sa mga tumutulong sa mga organizations to give back our community sa support na binibigay rin nila sa amin kingdom-wide. Maraming salamat sa OFW Congress being part of this show, itong program na to ngayong araw na to, to be one of the major sponsor as well. Tayo ay patuloy magsusuporta sa kanila, magbibigay saya sa ating mga contestants, lalong-lalo na ito lang yung pinaka-outlet nila. Ito ay hindi para i-display lang yung skills ng bawat isa, kundi o yung talento, kundi ipakita sa buong mundo na ang Pilipino ay pang world class. So maraming salamat din sa mga kababayan natin na nandito ngayon, supporting them, and hopefully hindi lang ito sa Saudi Arabia mangyari, kundi sa Al-Kubar, I should say, but buong Saudi Arabia and then sa Middle East. So sa inyo din, maraming salamat.
Of course, Mr. Salve, thank you, and that's all for my next Bye bye.
Thank you.
Workers from Eastern Region future become.